We've got now a smaller pulley, water meth, and a decatted exhaust. It's on the dyno right now, so hopefully we'll be over 500 horsepower.
RPMs do kill engines.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I reckon that's good. Yeah. Can we not have a little bit more RPM? You can
add a bit if you want. Right, so it's just come off the dyno. It made 514 horsepower this time, so a bit of an increase. We're pretty happy with that. Ilya's going to now mill down my spare pulley.
Let's have another pulley. Yeah, alright, we'll do that.
So we can make a bit more boosts and then we'll come back and see what it makes then. But in the meantime, we're now going to take it for a little hoon around the block and see what we can do with it. So to get from 447.9 to 514.8, we had to put a 5mm smaller diameter pulley on, water meth injection, decat the exhaust, and put a piggyback ECU on. That's all on now, it's all working fine. We are now probably going to make a even smaller pulley and see where we get with that.
Depends if you can actually make it like that.
Oh, I can make a pulley. Alright guys, so that's it for episode 3. The car made a good chunk of extra power, 69 horse, wasn't it? And yeah, it sounds incredible, drives even better now. But there will be a part 4, as you probably heard. Well, you have heard. I'll be making a smaller pulley because I think, well, we all think that increasing a bit more boost is not gonna hurt it much. So give us a couple of weeks for another update, and we'll see you in part 4. But that's it from us for episode 3 of Boosted DIY. Yo! God, I really hope it's not gonna get stuck with me, this Boosted DIY thing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, then leave a like, leave a comment, and if you didn't,
or both.
Yeah, exactly. If you didn't like it, please do leave a comment and tell me what exactly you didn't like. I mean, did we do too many donuts? Not enough. So yeah, until the next one. Bye.